Similarly, we will see the some more examples on inverse Laplace transform, but here using the method of partial fraction, inverse Laplace transform by the method of partial fraction. Same concept. ಎಲ್ಲ elementary transform use ಮಾಡೋದೇ, but method ಬೇರೆ. So we know already we know that how to do the partial fraction, right? So here, so find the inverse Laplace transform. Function is 1 by s into s plus 1, s plus 2 and s plus 3. We are finding this whole thing inverse Laplace transform. But if I take directly inverse Laplace transform, maybe it is difficult. So that's why I am using partial fraction. When you have denominator term having a multiple terms ittandra of partial fraction use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Then this I am splitting as a by s plus b by s plus 1 plus c by s plus 2 then plus b by s plus 3. Like this we have 4 multiple terms: a by s plus b by s plus 1 plus c by s plus 2 then d by s plus 3, right? So now call this equation number 1. This equation number 1. Then this implies, now simplify this one. 1 by s into s plus 1 s plus 2 then s plus 3, like this, equal to, here we have 4 terms, then you can multiply or you can take LCM, s into s plus 1 s plus 2 s plus, right? We have s plus 1 s plus 2 s plus 3. If I take LCM, this will arise. Then after taking LCM, here a plus this into divided by this, s cancel. Now a into this whole thing, s plus 1 s plus 2 and s plus 3 plus b into s plus 1 ఒక term, so remaining term b into s into s plus 2 and s plus 3 plus c into, so here s plus 2 then cs into s plus 1 s plus 3 plus d into s plus 3 ಒಂದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, remaining is s plus 1 s plus 2. So divided. Now which implies ಎರಡು denominator this and this get cancelled. Now numerator equal to numerator, 1 equals to a into s plus 1 s plus 2 and s plus 3 plus b into s into s plus 2 s plus 3 plus cs into s plus 1 s plus 3 and plus ds into s plus 1 and s plus 2. So this I am calling equation number 2. Then find the determined values a, b, c, d. We need to find the values of a, b, c, d. So how to get? So using this equation 1, from using equation 1 of the RHS side, which I have a corresponding denominator term may equal to or equating to 0 each denominators. Now if you want a value, now put s equal to 0, because here you have, if it is equal to 0 then only s equal to 0 in equation 2. So this, so 1 equal to here. So if s equal to 0, here 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 3. So 1 into 2 into 3 is 3. Sorry, 6. 1 into 2, 2 into 3 is 6. 6a. Then plus here anyway multiply by 0 it. So this is 0. Here also 0. Here also 0. Then a is, this implies 1 equal to 6. Zero 0. So a is 1 by 6. A is 6 1 by 6. Similarly put now b value back s denominator is s plus 1 equal to 0 matter, s plus 1 equal to 0. Now s equal to minus 1 again in equation 2 ಎಲ್ಲ equation 2 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. The 1 equal to now minus 1 plus 1 is 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So this whole term is 0 plus p. Now b is so minus 1 anta, so minus b. Then here minus 1 plus 2 is so plus 1, minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2, right? Then this implies 1 into 2, 2 into minus b is minus 2 into b. Now b is minus 1 by 2. B is minus 1 by 2. Similarly, now put s, we have s plus 2. Then we have s equal to minus 2 into s equal to minus 2 into. Then c value is, see here 1 equal to, or you can write 1 equal to, so here this also 0, become minus 2 plus 2 0, 0 plus here also minus 2 0, then plus, so minus 2 into c, then here minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1, then 1 equal to minus 2 minus plus 2, so plus 2c equal to c is 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2. Similarly, d, now put s equal to minus 3, s equal to minus 3 into, then 1 equal to, so minus 3 plus 3 0, so whole term is 0, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 3 plus 3 0, so d also 0, then minus 3 plus 3 0, c also 0, and d is here minus 3 into d, right, yes it. So minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, so minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, so here minus 2 to minus 1 is so plus 2, then plus 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, so 1 equal to minus 6 into d is, so d value is minus 1 by 6, right? So a is 1 by 6, b is 1 by 2, then c is minus 1 by 2, and d is minus 1 by 6. Now substitute these value in equation 1. Substitute these value in equation 1. Now here, now substituting in 1. Now 1 divided by s into s plus 1, s plus 2, s plus 3 equal to a is 1 by 6 into 1 by s, letter b is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 into 1 by s plus 1, right? You can put in bracket, no problem, plus c is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 1 by s plus 2, and d is minus 1 by 6, minus 1 by 6 into 1 by s plus 3. Now take L inverse of 1 by s into s plus 1, s plus 2, then s plus 3 equal to, so 1 by 6 constant ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Now L inverse of 1 by s is, right, then plus L inverse minus 1 by 2 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 2 minus 1 by 6 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 3. 1 by s plus 3. Okay, here. So here we have terms. Now, which is equal to 1 by 6 into L inverse of 1 by s is, yes, we have 1 by 6. that is 1 equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 is e raised to minus t, and plus 1 by 2 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 2 is e raised to minus 2t minus 1 by 6 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 3 is e raised to minus 2t. So which is the f of t. F of t is this, right? F of t is this. So f of t is 1 by 6 minus 1 by 2 into e raised to minus t plus 1 by 2 into e raised to minus 2t minus 1 by 6 into e raised to minus 3t. Right? So this is the example by using the partial fraction. Right? So similarly, so one more method. If we have a logarithmic function, so one other example right? You can try many examples, right? So class 1 is ready already. We have many examples from this partial fraction. So try matter. Okay. So now we move for this partial fraction. Therefore, not partial fraction, logarithmic function. I think yes. Now here. So inverse Laplace transform of logarithmic function. Find inverse Laplace transform log of s plus a by s plus b. Very simple. Now see. So solution is let capital F of x is what you have everyone and taking both the is f of s. F of s is log of s plus a by s plus b. Here we know that the properties of logarithmic function is log of m by n is nothing but log m minus log n. Using this property, right? Now using this one, so to write this f of s equal to, so log of m nothing but this a plus a s plus a minus log of m nothing but s plus p, right? Log of m minus log of n. Now what we do, differentiate with respect to s. Differentiating with respect to s. Now d by ds of f of s equal to, so we know that differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Using that one, 1 by s minus s plus a. X under s plus a minus 1 by s plus b. Right? So this I can write as d by ds. So shall I write like this? Both are same. Or you can put it like this also, no problem. Or which is equal to 1 by s plus a minus 1 by s plus b. Now what we do? Multiply negative on both sides, LHS as well as RHS. So multiply negative sign on both sides, right? So if you multiply negative on both sides, so which is equal to minus Laplace of s equal to, so here so the minus 1 by s plus 1 aguthe, minus aithe, so minus and minus plus, so shall I write like this? First positive term 1 by s plus b minus 1 by s plus a. So now what we do? Applying the inverse Laplace transform. If I apply the inverse Laplace transform in this, then inverse of this, then inverse of this, then inverse of this. Shall I write separately? Yes. Yeah. Which is equal to, now n inverse of minus f dash of s equal to n inverse of 1 by s plus b minus f inverse of 1 by s plus a. 1 by s plus a. Okay. Now here now we know that by the property. Which property? So shall I write here? If L of f of t into f of s, right? Then L of t raised to n into f of t equal to minus 1 raised to n dn by ds raised to n f of s. Using this property, in this formula, in this property, if n equal to 1, in this property, so this L of n1 of t f of t equal to minus 1 raised to 1 minus d1 by ds raised to 1 f of s अंदर d by ds of f of s. So it is equal to minus f of s. So this L of t into f of t is minus f dash of s. E L अगर तोड़ो t into f of t equal to so L inverse of minus f dash of s. So what we did? L inverse of minus f dash of s nothing but t into f of t. T into f of t. So using this result here, this one. So right here now, which is equal to L inverse of minus f dash of s is t into. So don't need to write these all things. You can keep in mind. You go to the side. This directly write, which is equal to L inverse of 1 by s plus b is equal to minus b into t minus t into minus b t. Then f of t is e to minus b into e to minus b t divided by t. So which is the result? So this is the result. F of t is e raised to minus bt minus e raised to minus kt divided by t. So this is the function, right? This is the way to solve the logarithm function. Whatever it may be, any terms. So you should apply the log of log of m by n. Property of log of m by n equal to log m minus log n. Log m minus log n. Right? This is the example.